Good morning, girls. Children, yesterday I had explained you till question number 2 from the exercise 5.2, that is chapter Arithmetic Progression. And today I will continue with the same exercise. And as you can see, question number 3, it says that in the following APs, some terms are missing. You have to find the answer to these missing terms, and we'll apply the formula, right? And we'll check out how we can find the value of these nth term or these missing terms. The first question is 2, then blank, and 26. So let's check out exercise 5.2, question number 3. The terms which are given in the first part are 2, blank, and 26, right? Now you know that to find the nth term for an AP, we have the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Fine. Now as you can see in the given series that a is equal to 2, right? We don't know what is d. We don't know what is n, and we know what is n here. You know why? Because we have to find the second term. So over here n will be 2. We have to find the second term, n will be 2. Now to check the series, you remember that in the beginning as I had explained you that to write any series, we have a formula a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, and so on. So this is how we find the terms of the arithmetic progression. Now if you look at this one, 26, this is which term? This is the third term. So we will write this is the first term, second term, and the third term. So to find the equation, we can write a plus 2d is equal to 26. Yes, so let's check out. If I substitute the value of a here in this equation, I will get the answer for d. And right, if I get the answer for d, I will substitute in this formula and I will find out an. Okay, so did you understand? The terms which are given are 2, dash, and 26. This is a. This is the third term. And according to the formula of the series, this arithmetic progression, a plus 2d is equal to 26, because we have to find out the value of a, n, and d. And when we substitute in this equation, then only we can find an. Okay, so from here if I check, a will be given to you as, a is given to you as 2. So we write 2 plus 2d is equal to 26. 2d is equal to 26 minus 2, okay, and therefore 2d is equal to 24, and we write d is equal to 12. Okay, so d is equal to 12. I'm going to substitute here. So we find out now an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An we don't know. A is 2. Nth term means the second term into 12. So we write 2 plus 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into 12 is 12. And therefore the answer is 14. So your nth term is, or your second term is, which we are calculating for, the answer is 14. So okay, so we have to find the means and ways how we can calculate or how we can find the missing terms depending on what type of series is given to you. Okay, so now let's check question number, third question, second part. See, we have dash 13 dash 3. Second one, dash 13 dash 3. Okay, now we know that over here a is also not given, so we put a as question mark. Then we only know the second term and the fourth term. Okay, so we know that any AP is given by a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, and so on, right? Therefore, we can get two equations here, and with the two equations we will find the value of a and d. Since we have studied linear equations in two variables, so we will check out. For 13, I'm going to write a plus d is equal to 13. This is equation 1, and this is the fourth term. So 1, 2, 3, fourth term, I will write a plus 3d is equal to 3, equation 2. Now I will eliminate one of them. So minus, 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 this will cancel. I will get minus 2d is equal to 13 minus 3 will give me 10. So d will be equal to 10 upon minus 2, which is equal to minus 5. Yes. So if d is minus 5, I can substitute over here. I will get a plus d is equal to 13. A is equal to 13 minus d. A is equal to 13 minus 5, right? So therefore a is equal to 13 plus 5, 18. So the first term which I get here is 18. Okay, so did you follow? We have taken two equations here because we've got second term and the fourth term. According to any arithmetic progression, we have the formula a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, and so on. So whichever term is given to us, accordingly we can form an equation. When we get two equations, we will use the elimination method and find the answer for a and d over here. Now for this equation, this question, I get d here as minus 5 and a I get 18. So here I can write 18. Now I have to find which term? This term. So therefore I can write, this is which term we have to calculate? The third term. And we are going to now write an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An we don't know. A we have taken out just now, 18, plus n minus 1 means 3 minus 1, because we are calculating the third term, right? We can check once more. We are calculating the third term, yes, and into minus 5. So therefore I will get an is equal to 18 plus 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 into minus 5 is minus 10, and therefore an is equal to 18 minus 10, and that will give you 8. Okay, so the third term is what? 8. This is the answer. So our answers are, one is 18 and one is 8. So children, I told you that you have to take two equations depending on the question what is given, and I hope this is clear to you. So let's go on to the next question. If you want, I can take up the fourth one, in which minus 4, dash, 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 and 6. Let us check out this question. Fourth. The question is minus 4, dash, dash. There are 4 blanks, and the last term which is given to us is 6. Now children, as you can see in the given series, a is equal to minus 4, right? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth term is given to us, right? So the AP says that a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d, a plus 5d. So therefore we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth term. So this is the term I am going to take. A plus 5d is equal to 6, right? Now when I know the value of a, I'll substitute in this equation and get the answer for d, and then I can use the value of d and find out these unknown values. I hope children you are understanding. So we write here a plus 5d is equal to 6, and therefore we know that a is equal to minus 4, 5d is equal to 6 minus a. 5d is equal to 6 minus 4. 5d is equal to 6 plus 4, and d is equal to 10 by 5, and that is 2. So d is equal to 2. Now the common difference is 2. So therefore what I'll write here? Minus 4. Minus 4 plus 2. I will get minus 2. So this is the value minus 2. Then minus 2 plus 2, 0. So I will write here 0. Then 0 plus 2, 2. So this value is 2. Then 2 plus 2, 4. So this value is 4. So children, I hope it is clear to you that first we take out a from the series, then we take out the value of d by taking an equation, and when we get d, we can find out the other terms. And formula, you know that the AP series formula is a plus d, a plus 2d, and so on. And to find the nth term, we know the formula, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is how we have to complete question number 3. We now check question number 4. Which term of the AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? A series is given to us, right? And according to the series, we know that there are 4 terms given. We have to find out whether 78 exists in this series or not. And if it exists, then which term? So actually, we have to find out which term, that means n we have to find out. So let us solve question number 4. Question number 4. It says that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now we don't know n. So therefore this is 78. Nth value is 78. A in the series is 3. When you will check the series, you will see that a is equal to 3. N minus 1 into d. Now d I have not taken out, so I will write the series once again. I will write down the terms 3, 8, 13, 18 and dash dash dash. If I subtract 8 and 3, I will get 5. Yes. If I subtract 13 and 8, I will get 5. So you can see that the common difference is what? 5. So therefore the equation will be 13 minus 8 is 5, 18 minus 13 is also 5. So common difference is what? 5. Therefore, I will write an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An we know 78. A is how much? 3 plus n minus 1 into 5. 78 minus 3 will be 75 is equal to 5n minus 5. Minus 5 I will bring here, which will be equal to 5n. 5n is equal to 80. N is equal to 80 by 5. 5 ones are 5. And 3 here, so 16. So 16, that means 16th term is 78. So n is equal to 16 is the answer. Yes. So this is how we have to take up the equations for arithmetic series and progressions which are given to us. You can check out. 4th one. Similarly, we have question number 5. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. Number of terms. Right? So let us check that 7, 13, 19, 20, 205. So question number 5. We have number of terms given. We will see how many terms are there in this series. So 7, 13, 19, dash 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 205. Okay. So A is equal to 7. D is equal to, what is 13 minus 7? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 6. What is 19 minus 13? 6. So common difference is 6. A is 7. This is the last term, that is the nth term, which is 205. Okay, so when you know that the last term is 205, we will come to know the value of n by the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 7 plus n we don't know, d we have taken out as 6, and 205 is the nth value. So from here we will come to know what is the answer for n. 205 minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 into what is d? D is 6. 205 minus 7 is equal to 6n minus 6. Okay, so 205 minus 7 plus 6 is equal to 6n. Minus 7 plus 6 will give you minus 1, and 205 minus 1 will give you 204 divided by 6, that is n. 6 3s are 18 and 2 6 4s are 24. So the answer for n is 34. That means this series has total how many terms? 34 terms. How did we take it? How did we calculate? From the series A is given to us as 7. Common difference we take out by subtracting the two consecutive terms, and therefore as we see that t is 6. The nth term is given to us as 205. Now which term is this and how many terms are there? We will come to know by this formula. When we apply the formula, when we use the values which are given to us, we find out the answer for n, and that is equal to 34. So in the given series, the total number of terms are how many? 34. So children, what you do today, you complete these questions 3, 4 and 5, and then if you want you can try this also. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP or not, and you can see that first term A is given, then 8, 5 and 2. So from this you can find D. A is given, and you have to check out minus 150, does it exist in this term, in this AP or not. So you can solve these questions today, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, so all the best and have a nice day.